is Kashi. I am studying grade 7 in Thaamarai World School. This is a rainwater harvesting system. In this, the rainwater will be collected in this tank and it will be collected in this purifier and it will be purified and it will be collected in well. So we can use this for domestic purpose and for drinking. This system is widely used in Israel, Australia, Tamil Nadu, like these places, and this system was used by Roman people. My thought is that in Chennai the flood is more. So when we set this system, the flood will be reduced and water will be we will get water much to drink and use for purpose. So this is the rainwater system. When the rain is collected in this tank, it will be purified with this stones and it will be collected in this tank.
My name is Sangamitra and I am from grade 4. My topic is human heart circulatory system. The heart works like a pump and it's also called muscular organ. This process is called circulatory. This was clearly explained by William Harvey. In the human heart there are 4 chambers. The right ventricle which receives impure heart and the right ventricle which sends heart to the lungs. And the left atrium receives pure heart and the left ventricle sends blood to all the part of the body, which is the strongest chamber. The real science began at 17th century where William Harvey explained that heart works like a pump and blood goes in a closed circle. The blood goes like heart to body, body to heart. Now science uses ECG, echo scan, angiography, heart surgeries, many. Now doctors can see heart in real time, cure blocks and save million lives. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Landali. Today I have did an water dispenser. This water dispenser works in an electrical vision. We can fill water in this and I have attached a water motor. The water motor pumps the water with the help of the battery and it lets the water come through the pipe and it works in a way of filling it. We can drink this water and this can be used in every places. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Bhavnashi. I am studying in 6. My project is rainwater harvesting. We can use drinking, washing, cleaning, gardening. We want to drink means first we want to proper treatment we want to do and we can drink. How can we use means first we want to put water and come to filtration tank and next come to culture tank. It helpful for raining season. It help for save water. Thank you.
Good morning. My project is about hemodialysis, a treatment used when kidney stops working properly. Kidneys normally remove waste and extra water from our body. When it fails, dialysis machine acts as an artificial kidney. In this project, the impure blood goes through a filter called dialyzer and comes back pure blood as pure blood and goes back to the body. Hemodialysis helps save life from kidney failures patients. Thank you.
I have made the project on how the human heart purifies the blood. First, the impure blood comes from the body and it goes to the right atrium, which goes to the right ventricle, which in turn pumps the blood to the lungs, where it will purify the blood. The purified blood goes to the left atrium and the left ventricle. After that, it will pass throughout the body.
I am Krishna Prasad of grade 8, studying in Thaamarai World School. Today, I made a project on underground rainwater storage and irrigation method. In the underground storage and irrigation method, I used a plastic container as a tank and connected to a tube with water pump. When I pour a water inside the container, the water pump will be sucking the water and take the water to the field. So the crops will be having the drip irrigation method. So in summer season, it is so much benefit for storing water and using for the crops. Thank you.
The true sign of knowledge is not intelligence but imagination. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Siddharth and I am going to explain about Einstein's famous theory, the theory of relativity. Theory of relativity has two main parts. First one is the special relativity and the second one is the general relativity. Now let's take a look at this history. Although Isaac Newton did not directly contribute to Albert Einstein, but Isaac Newton's classic mechanics and universal law of gravitation has provided foundational and absolute framework to Albert Einstein's theory. So Albert Einstein's work in the early 20th century. He found the special relativity in 1905 and the general relativity on 1915. Now let's take a look at special relativity. So these three are the key formulas used in special relativity. Now let's see what is special relativity. Special relativity is a theory governing physics in inertial frame. That means that is non-accelerating and constant velocity without gravity. So what is time dilation? Time dilation, when an object travels at the speed of light, time flows slower to the object compared to a stationary object. And in the second equation, length contraction, when an object travels in a higher speed, it appears to be short. And this is the mass energy equation. Now let's move on to the general relativity. Space-time tells matter how to move. Matter tells space-time how to curve. This means that the presence of mass distorts space-time, creating what we experience as gravity. So let's take an example. So let's assume this fabric as space-time and let's assume this stumper ball as earth. When I keep the stumper ball in the fabric, it bends, creating a curvature. And now let's assume this table tennis ball as moon. So when I roll over the table ball, it rolls right back to the earth. I'm going to do it again. As you can see, it gets attracted by the bigger ball. And now the second example, I'm going to drop this ball on the table. So the only thing acting on it is gravity. Gravity is due to the curvature of space-time around mass like the earth. And in the first example, earth orbits the sun because it follows a path through the warped space-time that the sun's mass creates. So the heavier object creates a curvature in space-time that affects the motion of other objects. Thank you.
My name is Adishwarsan. My project is Smart Vision Glass for blind people. Blind people cannot see in front of them. So I invented a glass that detects obstacles in front of them. Using ultrasonic sensor, Arduino UNO, buzzer, jumper OS, switches and power bank. Ultrasonic sensor works on sonar principle. It sends ultrasonic waves and measures time taken and process them. The distance equal to speed into time by 2. Arduino UNO process and activate the buzzer. Thank you.
My name is Keshav. I am studying in 4th standard. This is an electric game. I used wires, piece wires and a switch, buzzer and it improves our mind. They will enjoy the game. Thank you.
My name is Dakshit. My project is Blind Stick. It used for blind people. It helps blind people by making buzzer. It makes buzzer when any object came near to the sensor. It will make buzzer. It helps many way for blind people. It is made up of ultrasonic sensor, audio, battery, buzzer, switch and wires. Thank you.
My name is Jayashree. My project is about piezoelectric rod. Piezoelectric rod means under the rod there is fix some sensors, the piezo sensors. or specially called as piezo sensors. If any vehicles go on it, it will take the energy of the vehicle and it gives the energy to the lights. The energy taken from the vehicle is mechanical energy and it is converted into electric energy, and the light starts to glow. It is collected by the battery. Thank you.
My experiment name is Earthquake Alarm. I am Naveen from grade 11. Today I am going to say about Earthquake Alarm. Earthquake Alarm is a device which senses the earthquake and detects it. So the people get alert and they move to safety place. What is earthquake? Earthquake is a movement caused by the tectonic plates inside our earth. The components I have used is a buzzer, wires and a metal detector, and its working principle. When the ground begins to shake, the metal detector begins to activate and it sends circuit the information. Then the people gets alerted to it and they evacuate the place immediately. This project advantages are it is low cost and it helps to the people to save their lives. Thank you.